What is past life regression? Past life regression is a therapeutic technique that delves into the concept of reincarnation, suggesting that our souls or consciousness live through multiple lifetimes. This practice uses methods akin to hypnosis to access what are believed to be memories of past lives, with the aim of resolving issues that may be affecting an individual in their current life. The process is premised on the idea that experiences from past lives can leave a residual impact on our present behaviors, relationships, and emotional well-being. During a past life regression session, a therapist guides the individual into a relaxed state, often compared to hypnosis, and prompts them to recall memories from past lives. This can reveal details about who they were, the circumstances of their past lives, significant events, and emotional blockages that may still be influencing them today. The practice is not without its skeptics, as the scientific community generally does not recognize past life regression as an evidence-based therapy. However, many individuals report profound personal insights and emotional release following these sessions. Proponents argue that past life regression can offer explanations for unexplained phobias, intense relationships, or even physical ailments, suggesting that these may be carryovers from past life experiences. Critics, on the other hand, caution against the potential for creating false memories or the risk of psychological harm from such practices. Despite the controversy, past life regression continues to be a popular approach for those seeking to explore the depths of their psyche, understand the root causes of their current life challenges, or simply satisfy a curiosity about the possibility of previous existences. It's a journey that, for some, provides a transformative experience, offering a unique perspective on personal growth and self-understanding. Whether one views past life regression as a tool for psychological healing or a metaphysical exploration, it undeniably sparks a fascinating dialogue on the nature of consciousness and the human experience. For those interested in exploring past life regression, it is crucial to approach it with an open mind and a critical eye, ensuring that the practice is conducted safely and with a qualified therapist. While it may not be a conventional path to self-discovery, for many, it offers a compelling glimpse into the mysteries of the soul and the continuity of life beyond the physical realm. Past life regression stands as a testament to humanity's enduring quest to understand the unknown and to find meaning in the tapestry of existence that stretches beyond the here and now.